In our fast-paced world, we experience the race to produce more, consume more, and throw away more. But it is also becoming clear that this model is not sustainable. It leads to depletion of natural resources and ever greater environmental, social, and economic disruption. But we can still do something for a sustainable future for our descendants. At Knauf Insulation, we have always been defined by sustainability. Our products save energy, reduce emissions, and are designed to make buildings good for the environment and keep people healthy, safe, and comfortable. Let's see why we really need to live and build more sustainably and what we are doing to achieve this together with you. Every month, the world's population grows by about 7 million people. By 2050, between 70% and 80% of all people are expected to live in urban areas. The global campaign for sustainability will be won or lost in cities. The building sector consumes about 40% of the world's energy and emits more than a third of the world's CO2 emissions that contribute to global warming. In Europe alone, buildings consume half of all extracted materials and generate a third of all waste that is rapidly increasing. We are currently depleting Earth's ecosystems and polluting them with emissions almost twice as fast as they can regenerate, and this trend is getting worse. This is highly unsustainable and is leading to many accelerating, interdependent, major changes in the Earth's systems, such as climate change, depletion of resources, such as food and water, and pollution. Humanity faces the exciting challenge of doing things differently, sustainably. So, how can this be addressed? The solutions must work systematically so that the economy thrives in society and society thrives in the natural environment. As the data shows, the construction sector is one of the key areas of human activity where we can make very large improvements for a sustainable future. Most of today's buildings were built several decades ago based on regulations that are not suitable for today's challenges. Tearing them down would be neither practical nor sustainable. At the same time as energy-efficient, sustainable new buildings are being built, we need to systematically renovate our existing building stock to achieve significantly lower energy consumption and much higher resilience in terms of heat, cold insulation, noise pollution, and safety against fire and other hazards. We need to at least double the annual energy retrofit rate of residential and non-residential buildings by 2030 and promote deep energy retrofits. Globally, the green building industry is developing rapidly with a growing trend of green building rating tools such as LEED, BREEAM, DGNB, levels, which promote the creation of sustainable buildings and push investors, designers, installers, standards and building regulations towards more stringent levels of environmental, technical, social and economic performance of our buildings. The DGNB scheme, for example, assesses the sustainability of buildings based on their environmental quality, economic quality, socio-cultural and functional quality, technical quality, process quality and site quality. In most parts of the world, these are still voluntary assessment schemes, but in Emirate of Dubai, for example, sustainable construction and renovation is mandatory and covers the energy performance of buildings, indoor air quality, fire safety, acoustic comfort and resource efficiency. At Knauf Insulation, we have been always defined by sustainability. Our mineral wool products, together with Urbanscape Green Solutions and Knauf Group Solutions, save energy and water, reduce carbon and other emissions, provide excellent thermal and acoustic comfort, fire protection and indoor air quality, and are designed to make buildings good for the environment and keep people healthy, safe and comfortable, all in one solution. In addition, our insulation products and systems are among the most sustainable as they are made from a high percentage of recycled materials, up to 80% in some regions, and are recyclable at the end of their life cycle. Our mineral wool with ECOS technology is a revolutionary binder technology with no added formaldehyde, based on rapidly renewable materials. We have consistently achieved the highest standards of internationally recognized certifications for our ECOS products, including Eurofin's Indoor Air Comfort Gold and GreenGuard Gold. For our wood wool products, we use responsibly sourced wood with internationally recognized PEFC certification. In addition, our products are supported by an Environmental Product Declaration, Declare certificate, and other performance certificates. As a result, Knauf Insulation products improve the overall sustainability rating of a building and help to score important points in green building rating tools. We also work with key stakeholders by providing expertise to improve green building standards and continuously contribute to future directives, regulations, and legislation that will impact sustainable construction. We also share our expertise in sustainability and building science with designers, specifiers, and collaborate in international scientific research projects to further test, research, and disseminate new or improved sustainable and circular building practices.
At Knauf Insulation, we walk the talk, and sustainability is one of our main company drivers. Since 2010, we have significantly reduced our carbon footprint, our waste to landfill, our water consumption. But we realize that this is not enough. We realize that sustainability is a journey. It is about continuous improvement. And this is the reason why in 2020 we launched our new sustainability strategy for a better world, which is based on 4 goals. The first one is about putting people first. It is about diversity and inclusion, well-being and safety. The second goal is achieving zero carbon, which aim at reducing drastically carbon footprint of our manufacturing plant. The third goal is circular economy, which is about recycled content, recyclability, and zero waste to landfill. And the fourth goal is creating better building, which is making building fit for the future, safer, more efficient, more comfortable. I'm happy to say that For a Better World makes me very proud of working for Knauf Insulation.
We will continue to co-create efficient, safer, sustainable, and resilient buildings, including our own, for a better world.